Welcome back, guys, to the Millionaire Logistics Forex channel. This particular content, okay, we're going to show you how we've been trading the charts, how we've been trading Forex, and we're going to show you our technical strategy, how we used to extract profit, just 20%, 20 pips profit off the market daily. So this is supposed to be a complete day trading technical Forex strategy, and how you can maximize your opportunities and how you can make profits off the market daily and work consistently. So guys, because there's no much time, okay, we're just going to be testing the chart from the 18th here, and this is the pound USD chart. And guys, with time, in a short while, still going to be showing you this on the Euro USD for traders who want to trade, who like to trade the Euro USD, of course. So guys, if you love this idea, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Millionaire Logistics Forex, and don't forget to like, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section as we trade Forex in Millionaire Logistics. Okay guys, so right here I have my complete day trading system, okay, and this is the 15 minutes pound USD chart. Remember, like I said, our pound USD is one of the charts I look at because I've customized everything, knowing the time to trade and work the strategy, of course. All right, so right here guys, this is the thing I'm looking for. I want to trade. If I see a move like this at the Tokyo section, I want to assume that that day the market is trying to make a bullish move. So if I catch what the London session at this point, I want to trade a corrective move up to this point, depending on what the Fibonacci tool I use, respecting the Fibonacci levels. All right, and then if I actually see the market at this point right here before the London session, at the beginning of the London session, I want to trade this market continuously to the upside. All right, that's a simple strategy, and that's a simple technique I use in trading the market. Okay, so let's hit that, guys. Let's hit that on the chart. So right here we have on the 18th right here. Okay, so this is what I saw here, the market trading from the downside up to what the upside. You can see it going to the upside, and right here this is what the beginning of the London session, 10 a.m. all right, now 10 a.m. chat time, 8 a.m. real time. Okay, so at this point guys, obviously if we wanted to trade a corrective move, we would have lost this trade. Okay, now when this happens guys, I don't fret, I don't panic, I just look upward to the next trading session. So obviously guys, was what I was expecting. Market has traded to this point to the upside. I wanted to see market retrace to the downside to either of these levels, at the beginning of the London session, of course, here. But then that didn't happen. Okay, so when it didn't happen guys, I didn't fret, I didn't panic, I just had to trade the London session. Okay, so at the London session, you can see the beginning of the London session, which is right here. Okay, which is right here guys. I saw an opportunity right here. So the market has made a bullish move to the upside, and I was expecting a corrective move at least to this level, and then from this level we're then going to know where the market is going to go. From this point to this point guys, I must have hit my profit, my target, for the day. Now guys, compensatively, this is what I saw. I entered the market somewhere around here, and from this point to here, exactly 23 pips. So this was where I made profit from. And when I see trade like this, of course guys, I apply what the martingale trading system. So rather than taking just one trade here, I want to take two trades at the best optimal position. All right, now guys, this is what I did. I'm going to show you in detail. Now from the downside to the upside, logically guys, I use my Fibonacci tool. As you can see, the New York session started around here. So in practical guys, I switch on to my 5 minutes time frame to see more price action techniques on the chart. But then just to know guys, I took my trade somewhere around here, and then my stop loss just around here, and then my take profit was around here for that day. And guys, I hit my target because this was exactly what the market did. It went to the upside, corrective move, which I traded at this point, and normally we're supposed to be expecting that the market will trade further to the upside, which it did the next day. Not immediately, of course. All right, so that was how I traded the market for that day. And then the next day guys, we're still going to do that right here. And then the next day, practically what we saw was the market was before the beginning of the London session, okay, which we had here, the market was making a bullish move all the same. All right, bullish move all the same, up to this point. All right, now this was where we got the trade. We used that Fibonacci tool, guys, and from the downside, logically, before the London session, we had this. All right here, guys, and this was the take. Okay, this was the take. Okay, down to the 38. So what we're expecting here is just the same thing, guys. Now market has made a bullish move before at the Tokyo session, before the beginning of the London session. So at this point, I want to see a corrective move to either of these levels, and then from here I want to see a takeoff. However, guys, if you see, there's something spectacular that happened here. The market was very much random, and then it even broke and closed it even broke and closed below the 100 level, below this range, okay, which is not really much of a bother to me, because I must have taken my 20 pips off this level and gotten off the market. All right, now was that good? Yes. Now if you had missed the London session, of course there's an opportunity for you to trade the the New York session, which I'm going to show you here. But then for me, if I make my profit in the London session, I really don't bother about trading the New York session, of course. Okay, now this was exactly what we see now. Leaving all these things, guys, just take it from the upside to the downside, owing to the fact that you can see that before the beginning of the New York session, the price broke this level here, so we had here. So in this instance, guys, we're trading what? We're trading a corrective move. We're assuming that we're still trading a corrective move based on my strategy. Okay, so you can see here that the market has just started at the beginning of the London session, the New York session rather. The market has just it's making a bullish run, and if you look closely, guys, these are some interesting price action candles. If you put these three candles together, you have here a Morningstar candle formation. Okay, that's the basics. All right, but then this was the take down here. After this confirmation of this bullish move, I just entered here, stop loss here, and then take profit. Of course, I targeted the 50 here, so expecting that market would come down to this point, react closely, not at this level because I was still in a trade by this level, but at least maybe at the 50, 61 or 79 level. All right, and of course you can see that profit was made at this point, and guys, that was the trade. All right, now going on to the next day, did the same thing, the same technique and all. It doesn't have to be complicated. All right, the same technique and all. So guys, what we saw here was that the market was making a bullish move. Of course, it's going to the upside. Right here we have this. Okay, now when we saw this, guys, this is exactly how we entered the market. Okay, you can see that the market definitely just reacted at the 38, came down here 38, but then there was a supply zone, of course, at this level. So from this point here, guys, you can see I targeted here 18 pips, and that was all, guys. 18 pips at this level. I left the market at this point, but then that was just where I closed my trade from. All right, so I traded the London session, of course, and because I didn't get my full 20 pips, I still sorted to trade the New York session, which of course I'm going to show you how we entered that market. Of course, from this point, guys, obviously we can see that the market is still trading the bullish move, right? Still to the bullish side. We have this. All right, we're still going to the upside, and then we saw the market here falling. You can see that it's falling down here. So obviously from the 61, we're expecting that the market will react at the 79 or so, but then it was closed for a corrective move. Me being that the market has already this was where you're expecting at least the end of the corrective move to form this pattern. Since it was going upwards, we're expecting that the market will come either at this point. The market has already broken the 61, so the next level was at the 79, and then 100 perhaps. But then if it gets to this point, I want to see the market make that impulsive move. So guys, I didn't trade immediately. I had to wait a few minutes and then got this confirmation. What was the confirmation, guys? A pin bar. I saw a pin bar, a pin bar, this a bullish hammer, right? And where did I see it? Off a critical level at the 1.27, right? Fib level. And then after this confirmation, guys, this was exactly where I entered my trade. I just took it from this level, now you're trading an impulsive move. So I took to this level, up down here. I had about 35 pips. That was where I closed the trade, and that was all, guys. Fantastic. Yes, it was. All right, now moving on to the next down here, guys, which is today. I had a very perfect trading opportunity. For the pound USD, and guys, this is exactly how I approach the market. Market is falling heavily to the downside, so you're expecting the market to come further to the downside. All right, and at the beginning of the London session, which was just right here, okay, so it's the beginning of the London session. All right, now seeing all these, guys, I had to wait for a confirmation, because you can see that there is a massive downward movement coming down here. So I want to see that confirmation to confirm that is at least going to make that corrective move before it comes to the downside. And then I was only seeing bearish moves until market came this close. So at this point, guys, on the 5 minutes chart, which let me see if I can navigate down to the 5 minutes. Okay, all right, well, just there, let me see. All right, okay, so this is exactly what it is, guys. So at the 5 minutes, on the 5 minutes chart, just showing practically what I did, guys. I saw this Millionaire Logistics. Let me not cover it. Okay, so this was exactly what I saw, right? The pin bar, it gave me some confirmation, and after this move, guys, I didn't even wait for the completion. I had to jump into the market right here, and I got my 20 pips at the 38 level instantly, because from how I trade, I'm expecting the market to react at the 38 fib level, at the 50 fib level, or at the 61, or highest the 79.9. Guys, did I get this trade right? Yes, I did. And then I closed for the day. So 20 pips popped in today, which is actually a good one. All right, now moving on. If you missed that move, definitely you can still sort to trade the New York section with the same idea, with the same concept and all. All right, now looking at it, guys, you can see that the market is still falling even at the New York session. So from the Millionaire Logistics, this is exactly what you have here, you know, coming to the downside. All right, okay, so the main thing is that this is where I saw the market. You know, already market has made all those prints. You know, you have a bullish hammer, right here. You have the confirmation, a double top pattern, a double bottom rather, and you still have the movement to the upside, broken that resistance level at the upside. So what you have here, guys, just opportunity to go to the upside. All right, so exactly how I approach this market, guys. I entered the market at the beginning, just at the beginning of the New York session. I entered the market again, but I didn't take much. I just stopped at the 50 feet level, so at the 17 pips. All right, got the market of 17 pips, and that was all. So guys, I believe this strategy is amazing, though no strategy is 100% correct and 100% perfect, but then if you can hone a forex strategy that can at least give you an edge to the market and can in the long run make you profitable, you're good to go. So guys, if you enjoy this, of course it's a good chat. If you enjoy, guys, this back test with me of how I took my trades and all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get further details on how we trade the forex market, how we make profits from day to day. And don't forget to like, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.